When we manage the environment, especially the marine environment, there's only one big idea. The big idea is how do we protect the natural system, the ecosystem, its functioning and structure and the natural features of it, and then how do we deliver what humans want from the system. The fact that we want fish, we want recreation, enjoyment, we want pleasure. How do we get all those? Now, in order to get those, we have to manage the system. When we manage it, we have to bring in many aspects. We bring in our laws, our legislation. We have many organizations that manage the system. We have to bring all those together. But all of that relies on having good science. That is science that we can trust. And having good science relies on having good information. But the problem is we have a lot of people doing science, we have a lot of information, we have a lot of data. But we have to bring that together and we have to make it usable. We have to make it relevant. And one of the main features of LifeWatch ERIC is to make those data available, to give us the systems whereby we can bring the information to the scientists, but also make sure that the scientific information is available, and especially in the right format for politicians, policymakers to use. But the main thing is we have to make sure that the data and the information are of value, but also can be understood by those. If we speak the wrong language, then the politicians don't listen to us. So what LifeWatch ERIC is trying to do is make sure the data, the information, our results are translatable and transportable and useful to not just the European Commission, but also to people regionally, in each country, nationally, but even more now that our information can be used globally. And this is by the United Nations and UNEP and so on. So we need to fulfill all of those aspects.